Well, hello everybody. Reboot Computer Repairs here. Today we do have a tablet. This is my daughter's Samsung 10-inch tablet, and it's got issues with flickering, and the battery starts to drop as it flickers. Start off at 100%, as it flickers, you just watch the battery voltage just drop, and to the point where it's dead, but it's not dead till you reboot it, and the battery's fine. Shout out to, I don't know his name, but a shout out to Electronics Repair School for sending me the tip on how to repair this issue. Apparently it's a glitch somewhere, so you just take off the battery and you take off the cable that goes to the backlighting of the, or video or backlighting of the tablet. So we're going to do this right now. No, I'm not going to cut into it, and if you do see cracks on the screen, kind of, the screen is not cracked. Its tempered glass protector is gone. So at least you know the tempered glass does work. It protects the device. It absorbs the impact, so that way the tablet doesn't absorb the impact. Okay, moving on. So let's see if I can manipulate this problem here. Let me turn it on. That's that. Okay. So right now, as you can see, it's not doing it. I go like this, nothing. All right. Something does it. I don't know what. Oh, what did I just do? Oh, here we go. Oh, it's the game. Okay. It's working, but I don't know if it's because she has it on for a long time. It's hot or what? Okay, just stop loading. Oh, there it goes. It's a little slow. Oh, it's a choppy vegetable game. It's when we chop vegetables without hitting the brown bar or the gray bar, and then after that you make soup with it. Whatever. Okay, and that's not doing it. I'm going to close off all the open tabs. I'm trying to see if I can make it do its thing. Let me see if I can increase the brightness. Whoop. Oh yeah, that's going to kill it very fast. Screen rotation is there, sound is there, Bluetooth is off. Smart stay. I don't know what that does. Smart stay. Screen stays on as long as you're looking at it. No. Palm motion. Capture screen. No. My daughter doesn't need to worry about that crap. Okay. Oh, piss off. Okay. General. Date and time. Okay. Battery. Power saving is off. Okay. Battery. 10 minutes and 45 seconds on battery. Battery usage data not available. According to this graph, the battery is currently 99%. Full Wi-Fi, screen on, charging. Okay. So according to this graph here, down below, the top one shows Wi-Fi, and the bottom one shows the time that the screen's been on while it's on battery. Wi-Fi is the whole time, and charging is, well, it's been charging overnight, so, or it's just charging anyway. Well, my daughter went to school this morning, so, alright. Let's see what we're going to do here. I'm just trying to manipulate this problem. It does come on, but clear. Okay. Let me see if I can get some YouTube videos up, get the graphics really revved up here. B. Whose account is it? It says B on it. Oh, never mind. It's my wife. Okay. What's a good... I'm just going to choose anything here. Ah, Gangster Grandma. There you go. What in the world?
Why would you do that?
He's squishing watermelon.
No!
Okay, I'll go full screen.
No!
Let's see if I can make it go sideways.
Grandma,
Okay,
what are you looking
there we
for?
go.
We gotta go. Come on.
I'm looking for my favorite book. Oh, here it is. Bro, what the...
If you had one game of beer pong to win $1 million, who's on your team?
So far, it's not
You know
doing
it's on my
the
team, right, Grandma?
issue. I don't have it charging right
Give me
now.
my million.
Granny, do you know what the similarity between you and this baby are?
Turn this down a little bit. So I got this going. It's still not doing this issue. I may have to come back to you guys. Playing a game might work because you're always manipulating the screen. So we'll just try that. Okay. I do apologize. I don't have a nice setup with the camera looking down at the moment. Let's see if I can manipulate this thing to do it again. I do have a charger here. I do. There's another thing I have to fix. These micro USB, if I get the focus. I'm not going to focus, are you? It's focusing on my damn shirt. Leave my shirt alone. But anyway, it's focusing on my shirt. I don't know why. Try to see if I can... Oh, I almost got something. Okay. You can kind of see that. So, oh damn it, I had the wrong section. Ooh, that looks a little bit bent. It looks a little bit bent. It curves upwards. Yeah, it does look a little bit bent here. Okay, well, typical issues when you have a daughter that uses devices like this. Come on. Okay, there we go. So, I'll just see it, but these little hookers, as I call them, the micro USB got these two little hooks right here, and they're supposed to protrude out a little bit, so when you plug it into the device, it'll lock on instead of just going in and easily slipping in and out. That's annoying. So what you can do is you use a blade, and I'll show you after. You gotta get inside here and prop them up. Like you're essentially bending them up a tiny bit, not so to the point where it won't go into the device. You're propping it up so that way when it does go in your device, it'll lock. You'll hear it and feel click, like a tick, and you know it's secured. Right now, they're just down flat almost. So I'll show that to you now while this is doing its thing. So I'll put this aside, let it do its thing. It's hard for me to show it to you. All right. I'm going to try to see if I can manipulate the focus on my phone. Oh, okay, hold on. Come, oh, you had it there, you bastard. What are you doing? Yeah, you're going to be stupid, aren't you? Okay. Okay, I got a black backdrop. That might help. I'm going to wipe. Yeah. That doesn't work. Alright. Come on. I'm telling you. There we go. Okay, so perfect. That's it, there we go. So these one and this one, we're gonna bend up these hookers that you see here, and then be good to go. So bear with me while I do this. I'm gonna try to do this. It's hard for you to see, but now yeah, see now it's out of focus over here. I'll try to see if I can fix that. Okay. And then once we do get it, I'll show you. Alright, so this is the hard part, is getting it up. It is really difficult to do. Just to see my blade is rounded off in the corner. That's not good. That won't help. Okay, help me get in there. So well, shit. That didn't break off the way I want, but we still got two sharp corners. Oh, what is that now? Never mind. Okay, we'll throw that in the garbage for safety. Okay, so now we got two sharp corners on the blade at least that we can get up there in there with. Okay, so just bear with me. I'll show it to you after. You saw what it looked like before. Okay, I'll show you the aftermath. Okay, turn this upside down. Why? I don't know. I won't be able to see the screen. Okay, and then I'm gonna make this thing. Just watch videos, since I'm not doing nothing else. Okay. Alright. And then it's good to gotta keep an eye on time. We gotta get ready for work soon. Okay, so oops. So if I do it that way, it pushes it down. I gotcha. Let's try the next one here. This one looks to be okay, yeah, it's coming. This one seems to be more promising. It just once you get that little sweet spot underneath, it's able to lift her up. Okay, then you've mastered it. You can't master this. This is impossible. It's doable, but it's impossible. Oh, wait a minute. My oh my. That looks a tad bit loose. Buy these for, I think it's $10, $9.99 at Canadian Tire. Not a sponsor. And I think this is the common problem with. I hate that damn thing. The common problem with these micro USB plugs is these. If you don't treat this gingerly every time you unplug and plug it in, they will either bend this, or the hooks will be bent inwards. Okay. Another good thing to use, I don't have on me to my vehicle, is a precision screwdriver set or a needle. I'm actually going to turn notifications off. I should have done that first. My apologies. I could put a needle in these little corners, but it might work because this is being a bastard. Excuse me for 1 second. Alright, well, we'll try anything once or twice. I found a precision screwdriver. It's a flat, and I do have my needle. Not for drugs. I'm not diabetic. I guess you can say this is the perks of back in the day working at a hospital. Alright, so this is a clean needle. If anything, I use it to rinse out my teeth very carefully. I have used it when I had an abscess in my tooth, and I just rinsed it out with peroxide. Not something I recommend. If you're strong enough, you can do it, like I have. Okay, let's see what we can do here about lifting this up. This will get me into the spot that I need. Oh, damn it. That's what I thought. The needle's bending, you bastard. Oh, yeah. You bend that tip and this thing will be rendered useless. Can I get into the side of it? Nope. It's moving it up, but not enough. Oh, and I just bent the tip. Shit. I don't think this thing's gonna be any good now. It's okay, I have spares. This is a precision set. I think this might be too big. Let me see what we can do here. Still waiting for this thing. Okay, can we put autoplay on? That's good enough. I'm not watching it anyway. Yeah. Okay. Alright. No, you know, I used... No. Useless. Just useless. I'm trying to play this at full brightness. Yeah, she's getting warm. It's getting warm already. A little bit warmer. Okay. So all you have to do is get underneath. All you have to do is get on the side and get underneath it, and that can prove difficult. Okay. It looks like it wants to go from the opposite direction. No problem. Really? Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not working like that. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Maybe I have to squeeze one side slightly down. Yes, that seems to work. Oh yeah, that seems to work a lot. Now I have to bend the damn pin on the other side. I tell you, you can't win. Okay, no bending. You have to just get in there and pry it up. Okay, we are getting somewhere. May not look like it, but we are getting somewhere. Okay, try not to. Okay, so I can see it. I can see it here. It's hard to tell on camera, but if I move this back, the hookers are actually protruding upwards. So I'm going to try to see if I can use this table as leverage. There's a little gap, a little crack in my table here that's made with the table. I'm going to try to see if I can use that as leverage and to pry back, and then use the blade, sharp side, to lift up. Oh, come on. I broke the tip already. Are you kidding me? Jeez. Dollar store blades. No good, folks. It is bent. Yeah, well, at least if I can do this. Okay. I can barely see the edge of that hook on the top here. It's not working that good. I need something. I do need, oh, there we go. There we go. Okay, hold on a second. All you gotta do is slide the sharp end underneath. Yes, we got it. All right. All right, so you bend it gently till you get something like this. Okay, this is what I want to show y'all. Okay, I'll put it on the side here so you can see it better. I do apologize. This thing is being stupid. I don't have a proper camera. It's in the works. Anyway. And of course, I'm using YouTube recorder as opposed to my phone's recorder. It's being stupid. Alright, whatever. Okay. See that? It protruded a little bit right up here. That's what you're looking for. Get that hook up. Get that hook up. So that's what we're going to do for the next one. If it does end up being too tight, you just push it down a little bit. But for now, we're getting it up. That's the trick. Okay. Oh, shut up. Next time, I swear, I'm going to disable all notifications when I'm doing videos. Until I get myself in a nice camera. Which, by the way, folks, to help out my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for future videos. It would definitely mean a lot to me and definitely would help. And I appreciate it very, very much. I do have a Patreon account, but I don't know if I think it still works because I keep getting notifications from them. So, trying to find my Patreon. Okay. This one here is being a stubborn ass. Tablet is getting hot. No, not really. I'm trying to make it flicker, but it's just not doing it. Oh, be quiet. Seriously, enough is enough now. I apologize, it's really annoying. I'm gonna definitely mute all notifications. Oh, you're a real twat. Oh. I just gotta get underneath this one. Okay, this one's good. See, I have to bend it more farther back, which is risky. Oh, damn it. I don't know. I know this is gonna be useless, but I gotta try it again. Well, that is not good. I mean, I could still use this, I think. Yeah. A little squirt gun, I guess, if anything. Okay. Yeah, this is really stupid. You know what? This is the one I was actually having an easier time with. Alright, you know what? Let's see if we can get by with just one hooker. Alright. See, it's not going in that easily, so it's a little bit too high. Don't force it in. Nope, still not. So you gotta push it back down a little bit. Yeah. Maybe I'll push this down back a little bit then. You know, if you have to keep doing this every time, back and forth, not good for it. Okay, she's in. Ooh. It's charging. And you can see I'm tugging, and it's not come out. If I pull really hard, it comes out. However, it's not going to last long, I guarantee it. So you can kind of feel the resistance when it goes in, and there's really, look at this, I can pull the whole tablet with this and it won't come out. Alright, so that's good. I can't seem to manipulate the problem, but what does happen, this whole screen literally will just flash, 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 flicker, 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 like it's possessed. Alright, so now we don't need the cap no more, because there's no sharp on the end of my needle. Look at this. Sorry, there's no cap, there's no sharp, there's no needle anymore. Broke off. So I leave this on. I could leave it on for a while, but we're at 90% battery. I do feel a little bit of warmth, like down here in the corner. And a little bit down here as well. Nothing else. Down here. Okay. Oh, Jesus, the video's 26 minutes already. No worries. Alright, so let's get to let's get to this now. It still doesn't want to lock into one side because one hooker, right? But for now we have one, so that's good. We'll disconnect the charger. Okay, and then we'll start to open this puppy up. Usually you don't need any tools for this. Just your fingernails. Ow. We'll use the blade, but we'll just use the no bladed part, just as a pry. Okay. What was that? That was weird. Okay. Screw you. I'm gonna use a screwdriver. I don't have any plastic opening tools. There we go, just slide it along. It's all clips. Just all lock clips in place, snaps in place. And I guess when you do this, this is a good time you're going to see a lot of crap come out of the cracks. Didn't sound right, but... And it's good to have a nice workbench. But, you know, you do what you can with what you got and have a little bit of fun with it. James Barber said that. And if you all don't know who James Barber is, you can look him up. He had a TV show back in the 90s. It was a cooking show called the Urban Peasant. I was gonna say pheasant. That's something else. Okay. Okay, that should be enough. I'll be quiet, will ya? Ding, 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 ding. Shut up. All right. Okay. So here we have the battery. All right. And we do have, so there's a battery here. And some cables. I know where the battery is, that I can figure out. But I am learning. So my friend from Electronic Repair School on YouTube, hit me up with a comment as well, what you think about everything. Okay. Let's start, yeah? And you look at it and you say, where do I begin? Okay. I'm going to start with battery. This looks like it right here. So we're going to take out and put back. That's for camera. That's for something else. That's for something else. These cables here do control the board, lighting. Again, this is where I'm learning, but that's okay. I know what's the battery right here. And it's all this. This big fucking white thing here, all battery. It's a beast, but yet dies very quickly because my wife's on too much. My daughter's on too much. All right, so we're gonna carefully lift this up. There we go. It just powered down, so I know that's the battery. That's the battery plug right there. All right, it just powered down. This here, that's the power. That's the battery plug. I will leave it on for a few seconds. And he did say something about a ribbon cable that goes for the lighting. This is for the charging port, the charging cable here. I'm assuming this would probably have to be for video to transfer onto the screen. Video cable, charging cable, charging port, and this is for the light. Yes, no? Well, leave a comment below. Okay, so we had it off for a time period. All we're going to do now is we're going to put it back in and let my daughter play with it when she comes home today after school, and get her to let me know while I'm at work what happens. So I'll put this back in, snap back into place. Alright, we'll check the charging ports and the cable. That's what I said. When you're unscrewing it, you get a lot of stuff, food debris and crap that builds up in the edges, kids. There was a little bit inside the charging port, a little blow, close it right out. Charging port looks good, that middle pin inside looks okay. We'll put this in here. Nice click in. It's upside down, but I don't want to damage the cable too much, but you get the idea. It's charging. Of course, now I can't see what that says because of the brightness, but that's 86%. You have to see on a certain angle to see it. Alright. Okay, there we go. It dimmed a little bit. So it's charging. Good. We will power up. It's turning on. Sounds good. All right. And then momentarily we should be at main screen, yeah? So what that's doing, okay, as you can see the backlight is lit up here, and we are good to go. Cable looks a little bit, it's good, but again, because one side is up and one side is not up, which is that side, it's gonna do that. I gotta fix that part. Now this thing just snaps together. Take off the cable because it's impossible to put the card back on with the cable still plugged in. There we go. Check for the gap. Looks good. One here. There we go. Check for gap. Everything is nice and tight. Yes, she's tight like a tiger. Movie reference. Okay, that's good. Finger touch works. Screen loads up. Can do stuff with it. Good. 12:15. We're going on to what? 34 minutes. Okay. So we're gonna try one more time to fix this cable. We managed to get one hook up, but we still have to get the other one up. And this is the problem. Ow, and I'm bending my damn nails back as we speak. Okay. Okay. Because you can't do this and that at the same time. Oh, come on. It's very... Because you get right on the edge and it slips off. Because you need a vise or something. Oh, yeah. See, now I'm bending the damn pin like an idiot. That's not good. You know what? We just bent the pin. Screw it. I'm going to cause more damage than good at this point. Let's see if it still locks and charges. Locks, charges, and I take the cable and I can move the whole device. That's good enough. At this point, it charges, it locks, as you can see. It's loose because one side doesn't lock. But as you can see, I know it's upside down and I apologize. Oh yeah, of course, it shifts on me like an idiot. Yeah, whatever. It's charging anyway, 85%, lightning bolt symbol on the thing, it's charging. We're done. Okay. So, what have we learned today? Hopefully we learned anyway, how to resolve a flashing or flickering screen issue, and how to fix micro USB cables with that hook issue. Like this is my other one, the same thing. I had the same problem, and as you can see, you can't see, but I can bend this back, and the hooks just protrude right up so easily. It's just this cable I bought here. It's just a real pain in the you-know-what. So I just fix that periodically from time to time, and there you go. Alright folks, that'll do it for me. Likes, comments, subscribe, hit the bell button for further notifications when I do make a video. And yeah, this is Reboot Computer Repair signing off for now until the next repair job comes up, which imagine will. I do have a 7-year-old daughter that is reckless with her, which can be reckless with her device. And there'll probably be some more videos coming up in the future. So in the meantime, I sign off by saying, have a good day and keep it under 12 volts. Ciao for now.